Hi students, today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Mean and Median of Ungrouped Data and Frequency Polygon. This is the chapter name we are going to start. Mean means indirectly already we know that is the average. When 3 or 4 subjects are given, immediately we will add and divide by number of subjects. That we call as average. That average, another word is mean. Are you able to follow? So you need not be having much explanation because you already are doing that one average. So directly we are going to start. Arithmetic mean or mean, both mean same one. Mean means what I told you, average. Sum of the observations by number of observations. The marks what we are going giving 6 marks they give by 6. Each subject mark we call as observation. Are you able to follow? So sum means addition. This only we can represent mean as x bar. The symbol for mean is x bar. These are the observations x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on xn by n. Suppose here 10 is there by 10. 20 is there by 20. How many will be the observation? By that we are going to divide. In shortcut, sigma xi by n. That is the formula we are going to use. Where this symbol we call as sigma. Sigma means what? Stands for summation of terms. Summation means what? Addition. Sum. That's why we kept plus here. We are going to add and then we are going to divide by number of observations. In this mean, we are having 3 methods. These 3 methods we are going to do one by one. Okay? First method name is direct method. Second one is assumed mean method. And the third one is step deviation method. Now the first one, mean formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. When frequency is given, we are going to multiply frequency and this xi observations. We will multiply and add and again total frequency. Sigma means sum. In the same way, in assume mean method, assume, in here only one word is there, assume, that we call as A. Among the x, the first column we call it x, we will select the middle one and we will represent as A. While doing problems more you can understand. Learn formulas first. Assumed mean this is plus sigma fi dA. dA how to find means xi minus A. This is all while doing working you will be knowing more. And divided by sigma f, total frequency. So A plus sigma fi dA by sigma f. And the third method is step deviation method. A plus h. H means we are going to subtract the x2 minus x1, the classes, and we see the size of the class. While doing problem, this also you can understand. That class may be sometimes 10, 5, 2, 3, whatever may the size of the class. And sigma fi ui. Ui means xi minus a by h divided by sigma fi. The sigma fi is common in all the 3 methods. So this is the introduction of this chapter. Please learn and by heart these formulas carefully. Now 16a, first problem. The weights of 7 boys in a group are 52 kgs, 57 kgs, 55 kgs, 60 kgs, 54 kgs, 59 kgs and 55 kgs. Find the mean weight of the group. Here they have given weights of 7 boys. They have given weights of 7 boys. What are their weights? 52 kgs, 57 kgs, 55 kgs, next 60 kgs, 54 kgs, 59 kgs, and 55 kgs. How many boys? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count. By mistake, if you forget one or miss one, you won't get answer. Now they are asking to find mean weight. So we know the formula for mean. What is the formula for mean? Sum of the observations. Sum of the observations by number of observations. Number of observations. In shortcut, also I am going to write sigma xi by n. Either this or that in words or in symbol. That is equal to 52 plus 57 plus 55 plus 60 plus 54 plus 59 plus 55 divided by how many? How many boys are there? 7 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Check everywhere. How many 50s are there? Easy method I am telling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 50s are 350. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 10, 28. 28 plus 5, 33. 33, here 7. 40. 42. 42. So total how much we got, miss? 392 we got. So that is equal to 392 divided by 7. 7 cancel. 7 5s are 35. 4 remaining. 7 6 are 42. So what is the mean we got, miss? 56 kgs. How much? 56 kgs. Therefore, mean weight, they told to find mean weight, you know. Therefore, the mean weight is equal to 56 kgs. Are you able to follow? This is the way of doing this problem. Third problem. Find the mean of the first 6 prime numbers. So we are going to find the mean of the first 6 prime numbers. So first of all, what are the first 5 prime numbers? First 6 prime numbers. Do you know prime numbers? You have to be knowing what are prime numbers, even numbers. First 6 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. They ask only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 is neither prime nor composite. And what is the definition of a prime number? Having 1 and the number itself as factors. So these all. 9 also will not come. 1, 3, 9. 3 factors are more than 3 factors, which are having 1 and the number itself is called prime numbers. You are in class 9, you should be knowing this, prime numbers. Now they are asking mean. Mean is equal to sigma xi by n. I am writing formula in shortcut. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 13. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So add 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17, here 18, 28. 28, 38, 38 plus 3 is 41. So 41 by 6. Divide here. Each and everything you have to show. This is part and parcel of the problem. 6 sevens are 42, but it is not there. No, 6 are 36. 11 minus 6 is 5. Decimal 0. Now 6 8s are 48. 2 remaining. Decimal is there. So 0. 6 3s are 18. 2 decimals enough. But here 2 is repeating, recurring. So 2 decimals enough. 6.83. What is this one? They told to find the mean. Therefore, mean is equal to 6.83. This is the answer. Fifth problem. Find the mean of all the factors of 20. So, solution. First find the factors of 20. How many factors are there? We have to see. We have learned this one in our previous classes. Factors of 20. One table goes 1 20s are 20. Two table goes 2 10s are 20. Three table will not go. Next go to 4 table. 4 5s are 20. Again 5 table goes repeated. 10 2s 20. So all factors of 20 are what are the all factors? 1 2 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 10 comma 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 factors we got. So now find the mean. Mean is equal to sigma xi by n. What is sigma? Sum of observations. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 10 plus 20 by how many we got? Count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 we got. So divided by 6. That is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. 42 by 6. 6 how many times goes? 7 times. So how much answer you got? 7. Therefore, mean is equal to 7. They told to find the mean now. Mean is equal to 7. Sixth problem. The daily minimum temperature recorded in foreign degrees. Fahrenheit in degrees Fahrenheit centigrade. At a place during a week was as under Monday 35.2, Tuesday 31.1, Wednesday 27.6, Thursday 31.8, Friday 29.3 and Saturday 23.8. So how many days they have given? 6 days. And they are asking to find mean. They are asking to find mean temperature. Find mean temperature. Find mean temperature. Mean means you know no? Average. And we know the formula also. Now, solution given. Daily minimum temperatures during a week. In degree F means Fahrenheit, degree F. as 35.2 comma 31.1 comma 27.6 comma 31.8 comma 29.3 comma 23.8. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now they are asking to find mean. What's the formula for mean? Sigma xi by n, that is equal to, now add 35.2 plus 31.1 plus 27.6 plus 31.8 plus 29.3 plus 23.8 by 6. Carefully how to add 35.2 plus 31.1 plus 27.6 plus 31.8 plus 29.3 plus 23.8. Add carefully. If you add, how much you'll be getting means 178.8. Add carefully. Now that is equal to 178.8 by 6 by 6. Now divide 6. 3s are 18. 3s it won't go. How many times? 2 times. 12. 5 remaining. 58. 6 9s are 54. Decimal is there. 4 you write here. 48. 6 8s are 48. So 29. Write clearly. 29.8. Therefore, mean temperature is equal to 29.4 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the answer you have to keep. Therefore, mean is equal to 29.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Seventh problem. If the mean of 6 comma 8 comma 9 comma x comma 13 is 10, find the value of x. X is the unknown. We have to find the value of x. What are the observations given means 6 comma 8 comma 9 comma x comma 13 they have given. And one more thing, mean they only give. Mean how much means 10 they give. Now what is the formula for mean? Mean is equal to sigma xi by n. Mean how much they give? 10. 10 is equal to 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus x plus 13 by how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5. Do cross multiplication. 10 into 5 is equal to 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 9, 23. 23 plus 13. How much you get? 39. 23 plus once again 14, 13. 14 plus 9 is 23. So you will get 36. 36 plus x by 5. 36. Now cross multiply. Enough. I've already multiplied now. Again 5 no need to write because we did cross multiplication. 10 5s are 50 is equal to 36 plus x. 50 minus 36 is equal to x. Now x is equal to 14. They told to find the value of x. Therefore x is equal to 14. Able to follow? Do carefully. Unknown observation, how to find this in this method. Eighth problem. The mean of the heights of 6 girls is 148 centimeters. Mean height of 6 girls. If the individual heights of 5 of them are 142 centimeters, 154 centimeters, 146 centimeters, 145 centimeters and 150 centimeters. Find the height of the 6th girl. Here 5 girls they have given, here 6 girls they have given. So solution, given, they have given mean height of 6 girls. How much they have given? 148 centimeters. The meaning of this one is, mean formula we know. Mean is equal to sigma xi by n. Mean they have given 148. That is equal to, we don't know the total heights. So how many girls? Means 6. Multiply. This is the total heights of 6 girls. 148 into 6. 6 8s are 48. 8 4. 6 4s are 24 plus 4 28. 8 here 2. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. So total, sigma means total height of 6 girls. This is, what is this one? Total heights of 6 girls is equal to 888 centimeters. Now we will add total heights of 5 girls. Total heights of 5 girls we will add. How much? First one 142 plus 154 plus 146 plus 145 plus 150. Add carefully. When we add this all, we will get 737. We will get 737. Now they are asking to find the height of the 6th girl. So be careful. So height of the 6th girl. How to find the height of the 6th girl means, total heights of 6 girls. Total heights of 6 girls minus total heights of 5 girls. That is equal to 888 minus 737. Subtract carefully. When you subtract, you will get 151 centimeters. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. So be careful. Carefully subtract. So therefore the height of the sixth girl is 151 centimeters. Here also write centimeters because they have given measurement centimeters. Ninth problem. The following table shows the weights in kg of 15 workers in a factory. Calculate the mean weight. The table is given in horizontal way. We have to write in vertical. Weight they have given in kgs. 60 kgs, how many are there? Workers means 4 are there. 63 kgs, 5 are there. And 66 kgs, 3 workers are there. And 72 kgs, 1 worker is there. 75 kgs, 2 workers are there. So solution given. They told to calculate the mean weight. So weight in kgs. This is weight in kgs. And number of workers. Number of workers. Now this is given in kgs. We will take as xi, particular class, and this is fi, frequency of particular class. Now 60 kgs workers, how many are there? 4 are there. 63 kgs workers are 5 are there. Next, 66 kgs workers, how many are there? 3 are there. Next, 72 kgs workers, how many are there? 1, only 1. 75 kgs workers are, how many are there? 2 are there. Now the third column is we are going to multiply fi into xi. Fi into xi, multiplication. So be careful in multiplying. Multiplication is very, very important. 60 into 4 is 240. 63 5 3 is 15. 5 here 1. 30 plus 1, 31. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 66 3s, 3 6 are 18. Here 8 1, again 18, 19. Next 72 ones are 72. Next 75 twos, 150. 150. Are you able to follow? So now you have to add this sigma fi. How much you have to see? 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 15. 15 you got. Next, here sigma fi xi. This also you have to add. 10, 15. Here 5. 1, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14 and 9 is 23, 27, 7, here 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 9. So how much you got means 975. Now I am doing direct method. Which method I am doing? Direct method. 3 methods are there, I told you now. This is the direct method. What I am going to do now? Mean is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Now that is equal to 975 by 15. 15 divided by 975. 15 6 are 90. 7 remaining. 5 75. 15 5s are 75. 0. So that is equal to 60 watt kgs. They told to find mean weight. So therefore they given kgs. Therefore mean weight is equal to how much? 60 kgs. 65. 65 kgs. 65 kgs. 65 kgs. Write that units also. This is the way of simplifying. You have to add total frequency. After multiplying, you have to add. This is total sigma fi xi.